Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your CryptoWallet.com account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and gain full access to all platform features. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the CryptoWallet.com website or launch the mobile app. Log in using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Look for the account verification prompt or navigate to your profile settings. Click on the Verify Account or Complete Verification button. Step 3. Prepare your identification documents. You'll typically need a government-issued photo ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Step 4. Upload a clear photo or scan of your ID document. Make sure all corners are visible and the text is readable without glare or shadows. Step 5. Complete the identity verification by taking a selfie or live photo as prompted. This helps CryptoWallet.com confirm that you're the person on the ID document. Step 6. Provide any additional required information, such as your residential address, date of birth, or phone number for two-factor authentication. Step 7. Submit your verification request and wait for review. This process typically takes 24 to 72 hours, though it may vary depending on the platform's workload. Step 8. Check your email regularly for verification status updates. Once approved, log back into your account to confirm that verification is complete and all features are now accessible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.